coming at you straight from the quarantine here. This one is Ripple by the Grateful Dead. I'm going off of the recording. There's just kind of some sparse mandolin parts. I'll also give you something if you want to play the verses, because there's not really much mandolin going on in the verses, but you can kind of mimic the guitar part or just play some chords. But I'll give you the little tremolos and all that fun stuff in this lesson. Thanks for watching. Okay, for starters, I'll give you kind of the little melody if you want to play it. The intro is starting on our G string, and it's going to be on the 4th fret. So we go down, up, and then 5, open, D string. So we have. And then if you want to just play chords during the verses, you can play a C, a G, and a D are all you're going to need. We start off here with our G, and you can add in on the 5th fret of our D string here if you want, and kind of make it like a little bass line. And then when we go to our C, you can do the same thing on our G string. Then that turnaround is just going to be G, D, C, back to G. So that's kind of the verses. There's tab for that that main lick there if you want to look it up, or I can link it in the description. Otherwise, we're going to move on to the main mandolin part here. So in the chorus, this is kind of what I heard on the recording. It's going to be lots of tremolo. I'm not really using the best pick here for that. This is just your standard guitar pick. I unfortunately lost my blue chip pick, but those things are magic. And here we go. So we're going to be on the 8th and 7th fret of our E and A string. And we're going to be doing our tremolo there. So it's the ripple. And then we're going to move to 10 and 9. And then back down. Then we're going back up to 10 and 9. And then we're going to go to 12 and 10. And our very last one is up to 14 and 12. Then we go back to 12 and 10. And then it kind of ends here on that 10 and 9. And then goes back to the verses eventually. So that tremolo part, here we go. You can also do a tremolo on just the top string if you want, starting on 5, going to 7, back to 5, then we're just going to do this little walk up 7, 8, 9, 10. So one more time, starting on 5. Now, I'm not an expert on tremolo, but if you're like me and need a little practice, just take it slow, going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and get a good rhythm, and then works faster and faster. And it'll get there. So that's pretty much the song. At the very end, when there's the little laws going on, you can kind of play the main lick here, starting on the 2nd fret. Just kind of really long drawn out tremolo. So it's the la da da da. 5th fret. So that's all the tremolo stuff. Like I said, you can play those basic 3 chords if you want to kind of sing along. And have fun with it. You know, this is mostly off of the recording, but I think they switch it up every time they play it, so feel free to jam out on this one. And thank you once again for watching and subscribing. Expect more videos because I got a lot of free time now.